Okay, so good afternoon guys. So my miles right now is 75,000 75,282, and the full charge is I think it's 270 miles. So I get problem when I move the steering wheel. There's a squeaking sound if I move it, but all you have to do, if you do like that, there's a squeaking sound on your Tesla. So how you gonna fix that is you have to put WD-40 right here. Let me show you. Right there. You see that? You see that black, that one? Okay, you just put WD-40 on that one. Okay, that's swing arm. Okay, so the squeaking sound will go away after you put WD-40 on that. Alright, that's all.